Hey guys, it's Joyette with Blissful Divas coming to you with a little tutorial on how you can package package some of your jewelry. So I have a lot of single pieces that I don't have multiples of, so I decided to go ahead and package some up. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. My helper, can you show me? Oh, he left. But anyway, can you show me one so I can show them what it looks like, the finished product, and then I'm gonna go step by step. I'm gonna show you guys everything that you would need. So this is what I'm talking about, my single pieces here. Okay, so this is what we're gonna make, and this is what the back of it looks like. Okay. So I'm gonna show you everything that you need. Of course, some handy dandy scissors, and I just use my shears from my kitchen. They're clean, I promise. A hole puncher, and you don't have to use an actual hole punch. You could just have something that, you know, just make it easier for me. Let's see, some paper, black paper, and what I did, I brought a pack of paper from Michaels that is acid-free paper, and I cut it in half. So if you have a cutting board or something like that, you could use to cut it in half, or you could use scissors, whatever you want to do. I took mine to the copier place and used their cutter, so you could do that as well, and that was free to do. And then I brought these resealable cellophane clear, I don't know what they're called, envelopes. I'll have to post that down below, the link of how to get them. So, and it has a resealable seal on the back of it here, so you could take it off and open it up or close it back whenever you need to. So I brought that from Amazon. And then I love the Dollar Tree, so I just had these, and it was one of those little sticky bowls here with the little tassels at the bottom. And I just been cutting a little bit off of this here to use for my ribbon for the top. And so of course you have this little tiny piece. This is all you need. Actually, this is long, you know, you don't need a very long piece. And of course, don't forget about your jewelry. So here's a piece of jewelry that I have only one of. I have a couple of the bracelets, but I only had one of this particular necklace here. And so I'm just trying to preserve my items as well as storing them in a cute, nice way. So here's your paper. And all you do is do a slit on the side, going at an angle, and then do another slit on the other side. You don't have to measure, just kind of eyeball it. Of course, you can see it's not quite even, and that's okay too, not quite even, okay? And then what I've been doing is I've been putting my bracelet behind the necklace set because I want my earrings to show, okay? And so this is how I've been putting it together here, if you guys could see. And so it has to hold, line it up evenly, and just put that in the middle of my paper. In the middle of my paper, just like this, okay? And then I just put the hole at the top. Okay? And there you go. And then all I do is stick my little ribbon. You can use yarn, you can use whatever you want to use, whatever rocks your boat is fine with me, I don't care. Anything that's going to make it stay. I use this because I thought it was cute, but it's the only thing I had on hand. If you guys know me, you know, I'm a budget girl, you know, I don't want to have to spend too much. I like to use what I have at home. And so all I did was double tie it in a little knot. Okay, and it goes pretty quickly. It goes really quick, and you know how to make the little curls at the top with your scissors, and that's all I'm doing is making a little curl. This is what it looks like, okay? And so you just make a little curl. And there you go. Just something to hold in place. Now, if you want to do a ring, I have some that I put a ring, so I have a 3-piece set, and you can put the ring in there, and it works just fine. I'll show you one of those after I get finished with this. And then all I like to do, I like to put this in with the resealable part at the back. So if they need to open it up and feel and touch it, they can. First you need to adjust this, because as you see, it's hanging off the paper and that is not cute at all. So all you have to do, and you just have to play around with it. So you put it in your little slot there. That's one. And the other one goes in the other slot on the other side. And then you just pretty much adjust it to the length that you want it. Or you can actually make it go up to the top. I think that's how I'm going to do this one. Some of them are a little bit longer, so the longer ones, I make them go up to the top, come around, and go in the back like this. Okay, and there you go. There you go. Okay, this is what it looks like. Very cute, very simple. And of course, this is going to be $10 because it has the bracelet and the earring set. And then again, all you do is put it in the envelope. Here's the envelope. Okay. And there you go. There you go. Okay. And of course, like I said before, you have the sticky part in the back. There's the sticky part, and you could put a business card back here. I stopped doing it. I did a couple of them with the business card in the back because I was, you know, they buy more than one. I just put the business card in the actual bag itself. Now, if I was at a vendor event or something like that, I would definitely put it in here. Or if somebody was buying this for a gift, I would put a business card in there, because it's pretty much a pre-wrapped gift for whoever they need it for. So you could sell a lot of these like this only because it's already wrapped for them. So they would absolutely love it. And there you go. Perfect. Okay. And there's the back. Okay, so you have plenty of room on here. You can put a piece of paper there, however you want to do it. And then this is $15 that I did. And this one has the ring. So this is what it looks like. Okay, this is the ring. And it has the bracelet and the ring. And there it is. Okay, everything is in there. And so that's the $15 set. And so actually this would be cute too, like if you was away and you had this in your bag and you want to go live to show some pieces. This is a perfect way to show the pieces, you know. So it's up to you how you want to do it, but that is what I did, and that is coming to you from your girl from Blissful Divas. Again, my name is Joyette Master. I appreciate you guys. You could go to my website at www.blissfuldivas or come join my team. Team BYOB. Okay, and that's Be Your Own Boss. So I appreciate you guys for listening, for watching. And I don't know why I just gave y'all advertisement to come and join my team, because I'm sure it's going to be probably for other consultants. But anyways, there you go. And there you have it from the mouth of the babe. Bye.